On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you just a simple video. The time is getting, where you are. It's coming down to the cold season now. So I'm going to be sharing with you how to make some oats porridge. But with this oats porridge, we're going to be using some coconut milk. And I would like you to try this recipe and see the difference of a flavor that this coconut milk gives this oats porridge. But let me pause right here to say special thanks to my patrons that have been enjoying extra content on the page. If you would like to be a part of my Patreon family, enjoying extra special content from the Jamaican Cooking Journey, click on the link in the description. Post notification shoutouts today goes right up top, right there. Oats porridge with coconut milk. Now, you can use your oats of choice. You want to use quick oats, but I prefer to use whole oats. So I have here 1 cup of oats, and all I'll be doing, I'll be putting about 1 1/4 cup of water. Give it a little shake, and I'm just gonna leave it to pre-soak. This step you could do overnight. Leave it in your refrigerator. I'll catch you in the next clip. So our oats have been softened somewhat. And if you are using quick oats, you would skip this process. The pre-soaking process, you would want to skip it. It would need that, okay? So right at the stove now, we're going to turn our flame on onto the lowest heat. Not really the lowest, but a little below medium. We're going to let this, heat up a bit. And I have got a oats porridge video there. I'm going to leave the link for you in the description. How we Jamaicans make oats. This is something similar, but actually I am showing you how to incorporate some coconut milk in there. And also we are going to be adding some freshly grounded mace of the nutmeg to give it that extra kick and that extra flavor. I leave it to warm up a bit and come back. So all warmed up. And you see that the oats have absorbed all the liquid, which is the water. It's time for you to put your coconut milk, and this is like 1.5 cups of coconut milk that I had just put in there. I'm going to give it this stir, and I'm going to let it cook for 7 minutes. The coconut milk would need 7 minutes to cook, so I'm going to let it cook, coming along every now and then to stir it. If it is when it starts cooking that you want, you don't want it so thick, it depends on you. The finishing, the texture, not the texture, the consistency, all depends on you when it's finished. So we're gonna leave it to cook in the pure coconut milk, coming along a few times to stir it. If it is that when it's over or when it's finished cooking, you don't like the consistency, you want it a little thinner, then you would have to add some additional milk, but not coconut milk, because you'd have to go be cooking that milk back again, because the fresh coconut milk, if you don't put it through a process, it will just, you know what it will do. So we're gonna leave it on the heat, and we're gonna come along a few times, stirring it, allowing the coconut milk to cook, and also allowing the oats to come together in the cook. As you can see the separation of the milk different from the oats, so we want the stirring will allow it to come together. So when that time has elapsed, or when that time is come, we will return and I'll show you. I have some fresh nutmeg mace in here, and I'm gonna be grinding it right now whilst the oats porridge stays there and it cooks with the coconut milk in there. I'm gonna be grinding this. Please to try the freshly grounded. It gives better flavor. But if you can't and you have to use a pre-packed one, go ahead. But the fresh gives it better flavor. Okay, now fam, so our coconut milk has cooked, and with the few stirring, everything has come together. So you see what it looks like. I'm gonna remove from the flame, and this is totally up to you at this point. I'm gonna be adding 2. This is not a full tablespoon, but I'm going to be adding 2 of this for sweetening purpose and also for extra cream. If you don't want, you could substitute this milk here, this condensed milk. You could substitute it with some honey or your sweetener of choice. This will not, and I repeat, it will not change the coconut flavor from the porridge. It does add a little sweetness, and also it will just let it be a little creamy, more creamy. So I'll do it right, you know. And this the consistency of this porridge, as I said before, you see it's transforming it, giving it that extra creamy. The coconut milk flavor is there. Nothing can outrun coconut milk flavor. Okay, no other milk cannot outrun that flavor. Okay, so if you like to add salt, you can go ahead and add salt. If you want to add some vanilla, you could at this point, but I will just be leaving it as it is, and I'm going to pour some out right here, right now. Okay, I'm going to bowl up some. That is good. You see the consistency. If you want it thinner, it's up to you. If you want it thicker, you could cook some more. Now, for the extra additional flavor, you want to have some fresh. You see that color? Freshly grounded, the mace of the nutmeg. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little. Don't go too much, because it is like, it's nice, but it is pretty strong. Adding this right here for just like for presentation purpose, and also as you start to have your porridge, that's enough. As you start to have your porridge, you just use your spoon and mix in for your flavoring. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. I will catch you again with another video or on another live. Remember to make sure that you're thumbsing up the videos. Remember to make sure that you're subscribed. We are on our way, going on to 400,000 on the Jamaican cooking journey. Remember to subscribe, to share out the videos. Make sure you thumbs them up. Leave me comments below. Remember to watch the ads. Thanks for watching.